Hey guys, showing you this LINGVIDO universal car seat cover with headrest. It's ultra thin and breathable fit for the cars, SUV and the trucks. It's the beige color as you can see. So these are the hooks and all the accessories that comes, and it's a soft material. Yeah, you can see and feel it. So these are the hooks, the durable material for the headrest. So this is the complete set for the two fronts and the back seat, and you can see like all the different things. This is for the front headrest, so two sets of the seat sets. So basically it's a very nice perforated material as you can see. So this pass the air, and this also have the material thick and the minimalist sort of covering, so you can still have the feel of your car seat, but it will cover it a little bit so that it will protect your car seats. So these are the instructions how to install. Is pretty clear, and they are the hooks. So in the back also there is adjustable length, so I will show that thing while installing. So like this one, so this is adjustable length here with the three different parts. I will show like how this thing will work, and these are the hooks that goes in here, and then you can adjust it accordingly in the back of the seat. So these are the headrest that goes, and as I mentioned, this is the back in the car that goes. So this will look like this. So as I said, these are the covering to the car seat and the protection that you can see, and with the perforated design. So the porosity is there, and yeah, feel is there. So this is for the back seat where you can adjust. So here is the hook, as I mentioned, you can adjust the length based on your car seat. So, and there are the buttons in the back, so for this front seats, so that can hold this headrest pretty fine. So yep, after installing you can see all this cover, and on the outside it looks like this, and inside it really feel like this. So nice cover with a minimalist design and look. Overall it's a nice protective seat covers.